in grade 3, and welcome to yet another mathematics lesson with teacher Delisa. Now for today's mathematics class, I will be saying a little poem, and you will all have to pay very keen attention so you can know what is today's topic. Now the name of this poem is called Submit. Come on Kevin, pay attention. Good. The poem goes like this. Take away the top, not the bottom. Your amount is going to drop when you're done. Take small holes that are behind the sign from big holes that are in front of the sign. All in a line. We are subtracting something numbers with whole and equal parts from whole and equal parts. I can take away them because I am smart. Very good. Now I hope you were all paying very keen attention because I will be asking questions. Now I will recite the poem one more time. One more time. Take away the top, not the bottom. Your amount is going to drop when you're done. Take small holes that are behind the sign from big holes that are in front of the sign. All in a line. We are subtracting something numbers with whole and equal parts from whole and equal parts. I can take them away because I am smart. Very good. Now, who would like to tell me what is today's topic? Yes, Paul, what is today's topic? Subtraction. Yes, we are subtracting. Yes, Marisha, what is today's topic? Yes, we are subtracting small numbers from big numbers. Good, very good. You are all correct. Now, today's topic is fraction. Fraction. And under fraction, we will be looking at subtraction. We will be looking at subtraction of mixed numbers. And when we hear the term mixed number, what comes to mind? Yes, Keisha, mixed number. What comes to mind? Numbers that are mixed? Yes. We need more, something more we're looking at. More than one numbers? Yes, you are all correct. Now, here is a definition for what is mixed number. Come on, pay attention, Keisha. Good. Now, what is a mixed number? What is a mixed number? A mixed number is a number consisting of a whole number and a proper fraction. Let's read together now. What is a mixed number? A mixed number is a number consisting of a whole number and a proper fraction. Good. Read independently now. What is a mixed number? A mixed number is a number consisting of and a proper fraction. Very good. Now, from our last class, remember we did proper fraction when we did introduction to fractions. Now, Lisa, what is a proper fraction? Raise your hands if you would like to speak. What is a proper fraction? Good. A proper fraction is a fraction where its numerator's value is less than its denominator. So now looking at this 1 over 2, is this a proper fraction, class? Yes, very good. It is a proper fraction. But remember, we are not only looking at a proper fraction today, we are looking at mixed numbers. And a mixed number, what is a mixed number? Yes, very good. A mixed number consists of a proper fraction and a whole number. So now looking at this example here, is this a mixed number? Yes, it is, because we have our whole number here and our proper fraction. Good. You're paying keen attention. Now here is a little mathematical chart. Here is a mathematical chart. Now on this chart here, come on, you have to pay very keen attention here. On this chart here, you can see we have green and we have some numbers here. We have green and some numbers. This green section, and we have an orange section. The green section represents our denominator, and this orange section represents our numerator. Good. So our denominator is divided into how many equal parts? 4. Very good. So now look at this here now. As I pull this popsicle stick out, and we go to the first stop here. What do we have here? What are you seeing here? How much region is shaded for our numerator? 1. Very good. So it is 1 over 4. It is what? 1 over 4. Let's move it to the next line now. Good. Now it's to the next line here. Now how many regions are shaded here? Yes, Keisha, 2. Now it is 2 over 4. Now we move it to the third line. How many regions are shaded here? 3. Now we have 3 over 4. And if we come all the way around here, the entire circle is shaded. And this part here is known as a whole. When this entire orange piece come out here, it represents a hole on this chart. Good. Now I will put some other charts on the board, and I would like you to highlight how many holes it has and how many proper fractions. Good. Now looking at these two charts here that I have here on the chalkboard, we have chart A and chart B. Now remember what I would have just explained with this chart here, with our denominator and our numerator. And when the orange section comes all the way around, it represents a whole. Now looking at these charts here, remember we said a mixed number is a number consisting of a whole number and a proper fraction. Now looking at chart A, can we have a mixed number from that? Let's see. The orange circle came all the way around. So this one represents 1 whole, 2 whole, 3 wholes. And now let's look at this other one here. How many parts is being considered? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 wholes and 3 over 4. Very good. So now, is that a mixed number? Yes, it is. Let's look at chart B now. Let's look at chart B. How many holes are there? 1, 2. And what about this to the bottom here? What is that? Yes, that is our proper fraction. 2 sections is being considered. so we have 2 wholes, and 2 over 4. So this is it. This is a mixed number. But remember today's topic, subtraction of mixed number. So we will be subtracting a whole 3 over 4, subtract a whole 2 over 4. Now, before we get into the subtraction, there are some basic rules we need to follow when subtracting mixed numbers. There are some basic rules we need to follow. Let's read. I'll read first, then we'll read together. We subtract the whole numbers, subtract the numerators, and rewrite the denominator. The rules for subtracting mixed numbers: we must first subtract the whole numbers. Then subtract our numerators and rewrite our denominators. Great job. Now let's do it. Let's do it. Here we have our whole 3, subtract 2, which will give us, yes Paul? 1. Kevin, do you agree? Yes, you agree. Shelly, do you agree? Yes. After we would have subtracted our whole numbers, we now subtract our proper fraction. We subtract our numerators, which will give us 1. 2 from 3 will give us 1, and we rewrite our denominator. Yes, so now our answer will be 1 and 1 over 4. Great job. So now let's recap it quickly, and then you will get your activities. Now, what is a mixed number? Yes, Trisha. Very good. A mixed number is a number consisting of a proper fraction and a whole number. Great job. Now, what is the rules when subtracting mixed numbers? Yes, Keelan, yes. Yes, we must first subtract our whole numbers, then subtract our numerators and rewrite our denominators. Great job. Now quickly into your groups. Activity time. Activity time. Now group Apple, your activity today, you will subtract using the steps, then draw shapes to represent your answer. Group Berry, you will complete the following below. And Group Cherry, you will circle the correct answer. Now you can turn over your papers and you have 15 minutes to complete that. Time is up and you would have all done exceptionally well. Now for homework, at the back of your question paper, there is your homework. You will complete those and bring them back for next class. Now thank you for being good pupils. Until next time. Bye.